In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block links in Discord server using Dyno. If you want to prevent members from posting unwanted links in your Discord server, Dyno provides an easy way to automate the process. By creating an automod rule, you can have links removed automatically, helping keep your server clean and reducing spam. In this video, I'll show you how to set it up from start to finish. To begin, open Discord on your computer and navigate to the server where you want to block links. Make sure you have permission to manage the server before continuing. Next, right-click on your server and select Server Settings. From the menu on the left, click App Directory. Once the app directory opens, use the search bar in the upper right corner and search for Dyno. Select Dyno from the search results, then click Add App. After selecting Add App, click Visit Site. This will open the Dyno dashboard in your web browser. When the page loads, click Continue to begin the setup process. Scroll down until you see the list of Discord servers connected to your account. Choose the server where you want to add Dyno, then click Continue. Review the requested permissions, and if everything looks correct, click Authorize. Complete the verification if you're prompted to do so. Once the authorization is complete, you'll be taken to the Dyno dashboard. If you'd like, you can select your preferred time zone. After that, look at the menu on the left side of the dashboard and click Modules. Scroll through the list of available modules until you find Automod. Open the Automod settings and click Create Rule to create a new moderation rule. Give your rule a name that clearly describes its purpose, such as No Links. For the rule type, select Links. This tells Dyno that the rule should monitor messages containing links. Continue scrolling until you reach the options for handling detected links. Make sure the option to delete all links is selected. Then scroll down to the Action section and choose Delete, so any message containing a blocked link is automatically removed. If you want certain roles or users to be exempt from the rule, you can configure those permissions before saving. Otherwise, leave the default settings and click Create Rule. Confirm your selection by clicking Create Rule again if prompted. Once the rule has been created, Dyno will begin monitoring your server and automatically remove links based on the rule you configured. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.